Hello, this is Bob Scribner coming to you from a house in Wellesley, Massachusetts. What we have here, I think there's another video on the TV about this, but we finished this one. What we've done here is we replaced all the step flashings. We put in this copper wash. This copper wash is trying to make the area monolithic, so when this does freeze up, the water won't come in the house. We line this giant wood gutter with this copper apron. As you can see over here, the water comes into, this is a wooden gutter over here, an old copper gutter with a wooden bottom that goes into our new scupper. The painters are going to caulk and fix all that in the spring. It's just too cold right now. And here's our gutter. And if we look down here, what we can see, you see the little waterfall? These two planes aren't the same. So from the bottom, the scupper all looks nice and even and the same. But on the inside, that's where you see the waterfall. The water from the right side goes down this hole. We put a giant hole in there. It's about 3 inches by 4 inches. That way it'll move as much water as possible. And here we put a giant downspout in. This downspout is 3.5 inches by 4.5 inches, which has about 45 to 50% more volume than normal. Before what was here, they had two small downspouts. And one came from where this one is, and the other one, you see the patch up there? That's a metal patch we covered that hole with. They had like a Y here that always froze up and never worked properly. So we closed this one up. Again, the painters will paint right over that. You can't see it from the ground. And the top is all monolithic because we put in the liner. So all the water comes down this one downspout now. Here you can see this whole wall was rotted out because it was leaking for many years. And it always froze up, so we replaced all the clapboards. We replaced the ground, that's the thing in the corner right there that sticks out. We replaced the clapboards over here, approximately 5 feet. You can see over here where we hit the old clapboards, because you only replaced them 4 to 5 feet out. When we hit the old clapboards, they're going to paint the house in the spring, so they'll chip everything and scrape it and stuff and make it good. When we put the clapboards in, as you can see, we zigzagged them. We didn't have one cold break. That way, you don't want the seams lining up. And we have it all new clapboarded. And down here on the windows, so they won't leak, we put in window flashings, headers. What this is we put see that piece of copper? That covers the top of the window, so if the gutter's ever frozen or full of leaves and the water cascades over, it won't rot the top of the window again. And here you can see the downspout, the 3x4 downspout. This house on the left, the part on the left has wood shake shingles. You can see the line from the old to the new. And on the right side is clapboards. You can see the line from the old to new, how it's all zigzagged. That way it'll stop water from coming in. So again, on this project, we had shingle work and copper work up the top. We did some woodwork and scupper work there. We did wood shake work, wood clapboard work, and we have this is the winter time, we have a heated shop over by Muzzy Ford, and we're able to paint everything inside so that way the paint will adhere well. So, and we have more copper work down here. So on this one job, we had a coppersmith, a shingler, a woodworker, a painter, and that's about it. So if you're ever going to have a project like this done in your house, make sure you can get a company that can handle everything. Thank you.